Why does professional communication hold such significance in our day-to-day lives? It's a question that often arises in a world where communication has become as simple as a click or a tap on a screen. Imagine this scenario: a busy hospital where a doctor must convey critical patient information to a nurse. Any miscommunication could lead to a serious mistake, even life-threatening. This instance underscores the importance of effective professional communication. It's not just about passing information, but ensuring it's accurately received and understood. Dive into the realm of a corporate setting, and you'll see the same necessity for clear communication. Whether it's a CEO presenting a new strategy to the board, or a team leader explaining a project to their team, the success of their message relies on their ability to articulate it effectively. Now let's explore the different forms of communication and their effectiveness. Verbal communication, for instance, is a powerful tool. It allows for immediate feedback and clarification, making it useful in situations that require quick decision-making. Imagine a firefighter directing his team during an emergency. There's no room for misunderstanding or delay. On the other hand, written communication provides a permanent record of information, which can be beneficial in formal situations. For example, legal contracts or academic research papers rely on written communication for accuracy and future reference. Nonverbal communication also plays a crucial role. It can often communicate more than words. A simple nod, a firm handshake, or maintaining eye contact can convey confidence and sincerity. However, communication isn't always a smooth process. Several barriers can hinder effective communication, such as language differences, cultural misunderstandings, or even physical barriers like noise or distance. It's crucial to recognize and overcome these barriers for successful communication. One crucial aspect of effective communication is active listening. The difference between hearing and listening is profound. Hearing is a passive activity, whereas listening involves active engagement and understanding. Effective listening involves not just understanding the words, but also the emotions and intentions behind them. Another essential aspect of professional communication is presentation. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. A well-structured speech, a clear voice, and confident body language can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your message. Finally, let's not forget the art of writing. A well-written report or email can convey your message succinctly and effectively. It's not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about structure, clarity, and tone. To sum up, professional communication is a multifaceted skill. It involves verbal, written, and nonverbal communication. It requires active listening, effective presentation, and clear writing. And above all, it necessitates the ability to overcome barriers and ensure that your message is accurately received and understood. After all, communication is the bridge that connects us all. And the stronger the bridge, the better the connection.